Yeah. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It's okay, three of you to join the last meeting.
Good
Uh,
afternoon, sir.
yeah, Mbak Ilda. Our plan, like what we have got in the group, is about review. So if you have a question related with our material so far, and also kind of what that question about the project, yeah, please ask here right now. Then uh, the second one, I will try to ask you one by one about your idea or the project of your final examination, the tourism project, because it is important. It has a big portion like in our class because I allocate more than 2 meetings for doing the project, and then it also cost for the final examination. Jadi besok UASnya teman-teman tinggal kirimkan project itu ya. Paham kan kemarin instruksinya? Ya, I will ask you later on after I highlight the instruction for our project. Wait for a minute. Yeah. So you have more than 3 weeks actually ya with the silent week. Jadi besok ada, kalau ada minggu tenang, kita teman-teman punya lebih dari 3 minggu kan. Jadi that's logic. What are you going to do is conduct a role play for being a good tour guide in one tourism destination. I give you sample from several references. That's not the closed ended question samples. You can also elaborate from others. Yeah, you have many contacts. Jadi kontaknya bebas nanti. You can show and edit it on your media. It's okay. Jadi editing boleh. For example, you are explaining about the Prambanan temple or in your place, maybe about your certain places, you can have the picture on it on your video as the media. Ya, jadi itu namanya jadi virtual tour guiding. So many university do it, then they apply it for a promotion and marketing, and also once again, like in our class, for our practice. The object, of course, the tourism destination. Karena dulu pernah mengadakan observasi kan, you did observation, you can use it here. Jadi bahan-bahannya itu sudah terkumpul sebenarnya sejak lama ya. You can have here to explain about many things, like kemarin kan kita sudah belajar tentang salah satunya ya, the historical things about that place, about kind of personal information related with the characters, the founders, for example, then the committees there, then you can have the SWOT, itu macam-macam di kontennya. Sebelumnya teman-teman bisa kemarin yang secara umum dulu, what should they bring, what should not they bring, what should not they do. Mungkin di tempat-tempat tertentu, in certain places, they have kind of prohibition. Or maybe for the foreigners, they should wear a hat here, it's a mask, or they should wear a kind of a fabric like in a Bali or Prambanan temple or Borobudur temple. Jadi banyak. Participants, you can perform it individually or with your friends to help you in creating the context atmosphere. Jadi tidak masalah. Nanti kalau bersama gimana Pak? Ya, dua-duanya upload, tapi dengan nama beda kan? Itu. Duration, I think is clear enough. Tidak usah lama-lama, maksimal 20 menit. Jadi itu sudah termasuk lama. Because we have a mini target, explaining one place in general ya. Then you can support it with the subtitle if you have a problem related with the audio. Jadi kalau nanti audionya jelas nggak apa-apa sih without any subtitles. Then point F is about the general things ya, das name, nanti cuma dikasih tagline itu. You can upload it, ya. Then using the statement English for Tourism, English Education Study Program, Universitas Mercubuana Yogyakarta. Jadi nanti bisa di-upload linknya, ya. Submit your entry to the 16 meeting. Jadi di e-learning ke-16 nanti itu ada platform untuk mengupload. Filming others. Nah, nanti kalau ada ada orang lain di situ, izin ya. You always get the permissions there. Oke, nanti ya. Ini tentang hal umum ya. Tidak boleh rasis ya. No offensive or sensitive content is tolerated ya. Included religion, racial, political, ya, pornographic content, dan seterusnya. Logonya FKIP, nanti kalau tidak ada di kemarin filenya, nanti saya upload di WhatsApp group juga bisa, ya, diedit itu. Any question so far? How's your project? How's your progress? Di sini ada Mbak Hana dan Mbak Adiba. How's your progress? One by one, maybe Mbak Hilda. Do you have the idea? Have you got filming the project?
Not yet, sir.
But do you have the idea in your mind currently?
Yes, but it includes religion place.
It's okay.
Nggak bisa.
Boleh. Maksudnya poin itu adalah things that can cause a sensitive issues. Tapi kalau menjelaskan tentang religious place, ya it's okay. Kan Prambanan Temple is about religious place, right? Cuma yang nggak boleh nanti ada konten-konten. The content consists of sensitive things related with a certain religion. If the topic of the tourism place related with tourism religion, yeah, it's okay. You can explain in general, right?
Yes, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Can I know the name, Mbak Hilda?
Ganjuran, sir.
Oh, yeah, okay, great. You can see from many point of view, ya. Jadi teman-teman sebagai as a tour guide, you need to do observation. Makanya butuh itu. Online observation is needed. Ya, if you have time and if it is possible, you get the offline observation is better. Offline observation means you can interview directly to the certain persons, ya kan? Maybe kind of the person in charge there. Mungkin orang yang bertanggung jawab di sana. Nah, itu kan bisa jadi quote nanti dalam video. Atau secara online cukup. Misalnya you can browse the references, mention it, explain it, when was it formed or built, ya. So how's the progress? You can see the current situation. Nah, kemarin kan current situation, selain yang umum-umum itu, current situation, how's their situation related with the pandemic, COVID-19 pandemic, what they their difficulties, boleh juga. Sedikit diatur konten-kontennya, silahkan. Good, Mbak Hilda.
Oke, sir, thank you.
Ya, you welcome, Mbak Lulu. Can I know your progress, Mbak Lulu? Okay, we will skip it for a while. But Dila, how about you? Okay, Mbak Dila, how about you? Mbak Diba? Oh, Mbak Dila, okay.
Not yet.
So, yeah, not yet. But what's your plan? Rencana saja dulu. What's your plan? You need to have it now because it's already several weeks, right?
Museum.
What kind of museum? In your hometown? Are you here in Jakarta or still in the hometown?
In hometown.
it is not the fixed one, but if you have not get the progress, you can mention the plan. So what kind of the name of the museums?
Museum Airlangga.
Di
And
mana itu?
maybe
Where is it?
di Kediri.
Kediri. Okay. Please do the observation related with Airlangga museums. Ya,
Yes.
do not
Yeah.
just state it literally, mean direct observation ya. Tidak, nanti harus observasi langsung, tidak. You can mix. If it is possible, you can have a direct observation, direct sekalian ngambil gambarnya juga kan. Tapi kalau enggak, you can do it online. That's why I make the title virtual tour guiding. Ya, so you have virtual, you can edit, you can use any media of it. Sendiri Mbak Dila besok
Yes.
atau ada partner?
Sendiri mungkin.
Sendiri ya.
Cek teman deh.
Yeah, if you have a member of your group here in the same class, you can make just one project. Ya, jadi satu project untuk berdua, durasinya lebih lama. Tetapi kalau ngajak temennya itu bukan dari kelas ini ya nggak apa-apa. Tapi yang dinilai kan hanya Mbak Dila. Mungkin temennya membantu apa, support manage things gitu kan. Misalnya nanti dalam tour guiding-nya bisa berdua, bisa kayak seperti apa? Ada kan guide yang tidak sendiri tapi berdua, nah itu bisa juga. Mayoritas sendiri it's okay, it's always like that, acceptable. Oke, Mbak Dila, Kediri ya.
Yes.
Mbak Adiba. Can you hear me? Can we know your progress, Mbak Adiba?
My progress, I just wait.
Okay, so what's your plan?
Tinggal about Museum Fathahillah Kota Tua.
Fathahillah ya, in Jakarta?
Yes, in Jakarta.
So, are you there now in Jakarta?
Yes, sir. I'm in Jakarta.
Yeah, you can maximize your time there. You can mix. If it's possible, once again, yeah, you can mix if it is possible related with the direct observation and the online observation. You can take several references, Mbak Tika. Okay. Sambil jalan juga ya, you can gather from persons there. Nggak harus tadi founder itu tidak harus dicerah harus founder, no. Mungkin tukang parkirnya bisa diwawancarai, siapa bisa diwawancarai untuk menggali data atau untuk di text video mungkin di inputkan di situ, ya. Tetapi secara umum nanti you are the one who in charge. Jadi Anda teman-teman yang berkuasa yang di video itu. Jadi silahkan mengatur penjelasannya ya. You can explain in a good way, in a wise management of time, wise management of order. Ya, mungkin di Museum Fathahillah tidak boleh menggunakan flash. Nanti jelaskan di situ ya kan. Misalnya di Prambanan harus memakai kain putih kotak-kotak atau di Bali ya, maksud saya di in Garuda Wisnu Kencana you should wear this one because it's the sacred place. It's the rule. It's based on the certain religion belief. Itu nggak apa-apa, itu konten tentang agama tapi tidak sensitif ya, karena tidak menghina, tidak membiaskan dan sebagainya. Oke, thank you Mbak Adiba. Terakhir ini Mbak Lulu.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, finally we hear you. So what's your progress?
My progress is museum also, and it's like and tempat ibadah Tionghoa.
Dua tempat, mau dua tempat.
Vihara and museum.
Okay, can we know what the names of the vihara and the museum?
The vihara is
In Semarang.
Klenteng.
Yeah, in Semarang or in Jogja or
in Tangerang.
Oh, Tangerang ya. Okay, good. Mbak Lulu, you can maximize like Mbak Adiba because you are in the near the capital city. Yeah?
Yes.
You can maximize that. Okay, so far, at least I know your plan. Jangan sampai nanti besok saat 1 hari sebelum UAS teman-teman belum mengerjakan. Do not do on the D-Day, ya. Do before it. Because you need to do editing. Karena harus ngedit, nggak mungkin tidak. Minimally you show the pictures. Karena kalau nanti direct explanation di sana kan bebas itu. Kalau bisa misalnya Mbak Lulu, you can directly go to the vihara and take a picture, take a video directly as the synchronous recording. Nah, itu boleh. Atau Mbak Adiba tadi di kota tuanya bisa ngambil video langsung, menjelaskan di situ boleh. Tapi kalau mau menjelaskan di rumah harus pakai editing yang banyak ya kan. Jadi you can show the picture, show the videos version, and then it backs to you again ya. So many, seperti yang saya sebutkan di materi itu, so many apps that support you to make an editing, ya kan? Ada yang kesulitan di sini mengetahui apps-appsnya? Banyak ya, nanti bisa di browsing atau dilihat di materinya itu. You can do simply through mobile phone, sekarang banyak. Atau melalui use another device like the laptop or computer. Oke, sesi yang pertanyaan tadi, adakah yang ingin ditanyakan? Do you want to ask the questions related with English for Tourism? Ini mata kuliah pilihan, tetapi ingat jangan, it is not the main objective of our study program. No, because you have 144 minimally for being passed and promoted as the bachelor degree. Salah satunya mata kuliahnya adalah English for Tourism kalau teman-teman milih ini. Jadi ini mata kuliah pilihan tetapi wajib diambil, ya kan? Oke. Jadi I hope beberapa sudah aktif di. Kadang saya ini ya, karena saya paham, misalnya pakai Zoom itu 1 jam udah berapa giga. Nah, enggak. Makanya saya usahakan hanya kayak seperti ini ya, feedback, review, karena in English for Tourism you can maximize it at home. And some meetings, I do not give you a kind of specific and heavy assignment ya, just respond yes or no. Tapi itu saja ya, just for sharing for this class, itu saja masih ada beberapa yang tidak merespon. Artinya entah dibaca, entah tidak ya. Jadi semoga teman-teman nanti mengambil hikmahnya ya. Saya yakin beberapa di sini sudah menunjukkan usaha maksimalnya ya di kelas. Dan jangan sampai nanti UAS sebagai the big project of our class ya, get abandoned, dilewatkan, nah, jangan sampai. Itu ya teman-teman. Do you got what I mean for the points for today's meeting? Ada yang ditanyakan?
Sir, for the costume bebas kan ya?
Yep, it's free.
Oke, sir.
Yeah. Please take a look at the instruction atau soal UASnya itu kan ada the scoring criteria ya. Nanti teman-teman mengacu ke itu saja. Ya, misalnya, tour guide principle nanti berarti dalam penjelasan saya harus ada prinsipal-prinsipal untuk menjadi tour guide yang baik. Misalnya energetic ya. Jadi misalnya if you have like this expression ya, of course you have not energetic aspect. Form group bonds. Jadi nanti pura-pura interaksi misalnya, okay, sir, are you okay? Pura-pura gitu aja, nggak apa-apa. Atau, okay, if you have a question, you can ask me personally. Do not get hesitate to do it. Nah, misalnya gitu. Oh, itu berarti menunjukkan group bonds. Jangan hanya monolog tanpa tanya gitu ya. Teman-teman bisa nanya. Engaging, sense of humor, itu salah satu saja beberapa ya, tidak hanya semua. Dan appearance tadi Mbak Adiba. Appearance kan we have 10% ya. Smart clothes, walking shoes, hat, scarf, sunglasses itu bebas menyesuaikan. Jadi itu misalnya teman-teman menjelaskan tentang sesuatu yang sakral atau itu tempat ibadah, tetapi pakaiannya mungkin it is not appropriate. Nah itu yang tidak sesuai dengan appearance gitu. Misalnya kalau di museum ya bebas kan, nggak ada kriteria tertentu. Nah, hanya memperhatikan itu saja. Opening and closing, and clarity, loudly, clearly, itu aspek bahasanya. Nah, media and creativity itu sampai 20% karena saya menghargai nanti you can mix with the picture, you can mix with the subtitle, you can have kind of the way banyak-banyak browsing nanti bisa menimbulkan inspirasi ya, idenya mau dibawa kemana. Itu Mbak Diba, yang lainnya ada?
Oke, sir. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. If not, just keep it that way. Yeah, I hope you get a successful project. Project is not just about final examination. This is about your skill practice. Jadi ini bukan saya yang menyebabkan teman-teman bisa, tapi salah satunya ya dari teman-teman juga. Oke. Sebelum saya closing ini ada Mbak Erviana masuk. Ya, oke Mbak Erviana, can you hear my voice? Halo Mbak Erviana. Halo Mbak Ervi. Okay, the rest I will announce if it is possible ya. I will announce the group to write down the plan for your main project. Tapi yang sudah menjelaskan di sini tidak harus menuliskan nanti di grup ya, supaya saya tahu teman-teman merespon projectnya. Oke, karena Mbak Erviana tidak merespon. Mbak Erviana, can you hear me? Okay, we will lengthen the.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. How are you? Mbak Erviana, because you do not follow from the beginning, I will share a bit. The important thing is knowing about your progress. So, how's your progress related with the project for our final examination, Mbak Erviana? Do you have the name of the place yet? To be taken as the object of our virtual tour guide? Mbak Erviana, can you hear me? Oke, nanti disambung di WhatsApp group saja. Oke, thank you very much. It is short because the main purpose of today's meeting is knowing your progress, and also I over if there is question or there are several questions related with our courses. Thank you very much once again. I mention one by one. Mbak Hilda, terima kasih. Mbak Lulu, Mbak Dila, Mbak Adiba, and then Mbak Arviana.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and then
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Please happy learning and keep yourself healthy. Okay, see you. Goodbye.